children.
Hello, my dear explorers. Today, I invite you on an amazing journey through the world of artificial intelligence, where we will uncover the secret of diffusion models. You will find out how a computer learns to create beautiful images by turning random dots into something special. Are you ready for this adventure? Let us set off together into the world of artificial intelligence. In the cloud library, I met Laser Peacock and Pico Mouse. They became curious about diffusion models, but their ideas were quite funny. Laser Peacock thought diffusion models were like painting pictures by blowing paint through a straw onto a screen. Pico Mouse imagined that these models only show an image if someone waves the mouse around the screen for a long time. Smiling, I explained that diffusion models actually start with random noise and then slowly improve the picture until something beautiful and realistic appears. In the tunnel of thoughts, NeuroMonkey was talking with NeuroAnt. NeuroMonkey remembered using diffusion models to design robots. She mentioned that at first, the robots are just messy sketches, and the model fixes mistakes step by step, making the designs better and better. NeuroAnt added that her team uses these models to plan paths for ant robots, which quickly learn to find the best route from random tries. I confirmed that these are great examples. Diffusion models really do improve their results step by step in this way. On the Bridge of Change, I met Techno Eagle and Drono Raven. I decided to check what they know about diffusion models. Techno Eagle explained that these models work like puzzles, where the computer first scatters the pieces, then slowly and carefully puts them back together into a beautiful picture. Drono Raven added that he uses diffusion models to remove noise from encrypted messages, step by step getting back clean data. I praised them for their wonderful knowledge. Diffusion models are all about gradually improving data to get the best result. My dear friends, today we discovered the amazing possibilities of diffusion models. Remember, by starting with random noise and patiently improving things step by step, they can create beautiful images and practical solutions. See you next time for another adventure in the world of artificial intelligence.